Hello friends, welcome back to Baby Ken. Many of us deal with various skin issues, leading us to try out a bunch of different skincare products. Whether it's acne, pigmentation, wrinkles, or just the general sign of aging. Not to mention the occasional trouble with cracked heels. We end up spending a lot of money and energy trying to find the right solution. So what is the answer? Well, there is a versatile solution that might just do the trick for all these problems. Tamanu Oil. Tamanu is a nut very similar to walnut or almond. Tamanu oil, which ranges from yellow to green in color and has a nutty smell. It is packed with fatty acids. Getting your hands on Tamanu oil in India can be a bit difficult, but nothing to worry. At this time, one company named Kamari helped us to provide Tamanu oil in the form of Tamanu Balm. Kamari specialized in providing all natural and Ayurvedic products that are 100% safe, cruelty-free and paraben-free. No harsh chemicals, just pure goodness for your skin on a daily basis. If we talk about its usage and advantages, they are unlimited. This product is very potent and effective, capable of tackling various skin problems like pigmentation, premature aging, open pores, stretch marks, skin rashes, scars, psoriasis, eczema, bite and stings, cut and grazes, cracked heels, lip pigmentation, dry patches, diaper rashes, and many more. As I mentioned earlier, Tamanu oil is extracted from the seeds of Tamanu nuts plant, is very effective for skin diseases. Tamanu oil is not just a beauty ad, it is also antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory, which offers relief from different skin conditions. It is even safe for newborns, perfect for diaper rashes. So in the conclusion, I would like to tell you that Tamanu Balm is a multi-purpose skincare product that everyone should consider having in their routine. For more details and the latest discounted price, check out the link in the description box. So friends, this is all about today's video. I sincerely hope that the information provided proves to be valuable for you. If you enjoy content like this, I kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Your likes and subscriptions genuinely inspire us to create more videos like this. Thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video.